We lost Game 7 to the Cubs, but the rings. It's a reminder of not only the great season, but a tremendous series of the World Series in 2016. There's diamonds in the front of that ring around the C. Those diamonds are how many games we won at home, and then the diamonds around the top of it is how many games we won on the road. One side of it has got the American League trophy on there, and it has the rubies. And the rubies is how many times we won the American League, and the diamond in the middle is how many times we won the World Series. And then the other side of it's got the Progressive Field lights and your name under lights. And then inside just basically it says rally together. I don't know if you can see it, but it says rally together. Basically it was our motto for 2016 as it continues to be written all over Cleveland and all over the Progressive Field. But it's a nice one. Athletic training came in secondary. I wasn't sure what I wanted to major. So I kind of came late into the program. I think it was not until my late sophomore year. Being in the training room is kind of what really got me started into what athletic training was. There's still professors now, like Mark Huntington, who I consider them a dear friend now, and after all these years, we still kept in contact. And that's the kind of relationships I kind of build down in the future with my peers, my coaching staff, and having that one-on-one approach was huge for me. The profession has grown since then. It's definitely something that it's an education or a major that you need to continue to learn. But Manchester kind of helped me get the foundation and the skill set needed to become an athletic trainer and what it actually takes to become an athletic trainer. And I owe that to Manchester.